dollar. Oop, there we go. We got those bulls. Let's see what we can do with them. Come on, bully, bully. I just got to Navarro and I'm gonna play a little Corrida de Toros. This is my favorite buffalo. I'm just gonna start out on the two. Ooh, let's go down here. I don't know what happened. All right, we're gonna try the $2 bet for just a little bit. I did put in 100, and when I sat down, I got a notification. They just put $100. A free play on my account. I don't really want to use my free play because I'm saving it. I'm going to be here in a couple days for a live. Actually, I think it's tomorrow. Oh my goodness, my days are all confused. But anyway, I need to use that 100 for sure. Alright, we're going to move. You know what? I'm jumping all the way to the 10 cents. We're going to do 25 lines. I'm going to do the 250 bet on the 10 cents. Had a lot of luck with the 10 cents on this one and the dollar. Oop, there we go. We got those bulls. Let's see what we can do with them. Come on, bully, bully. Nice. Major is 773.96. Come on. Ooh, Lord. Come on. We need this cape, so we need 6 of them. We can get the bulls to re-trigger. Come on. Come on. Oh, do it, 2 more. Yes, got the major. Wow. $773. Yes. Yeah. Come on. Get something else. One more. Come on. Oh, that was it. All right. Hey, I'll take it. We got that major. Nice. I just mentioned how much it was. Yeah, 773. Awesome, guys. Let me take a picture of that one. Hey, that was pretty good. Pretty good. All right, let's hit it. All right. Oh, we got to add the rest of them. Okay, so far we've won $784. And we got more spins. We still got 3 spins to go. Let's go. Let's get it again. Come on. Come on. More. Oh, do it again. No. Last one. All right. Hey. 800. I'm sorry.
Your name?
No, Debbie. Debbie loves slots.
Okay. I know you've seen it.
Okay.
I got you mixed up with the other one.
Oh, okay. That's all right. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. You know what? I'm gonna play it just a little bit longer. What are we at? 888. We won't let it go below 800. Let's try the 5 on this one. See if that one wants to do okay. Wow, I can't believe I hit that major. That is crazy. Just crazy. Nice. All right, we're gonna do one right there, and we'll do a 250. All right, and now, you know me, I gotta try it. We'll do the dollar, just down to 800. And we'll cash out with 800 and go play something else. That was 11, that was good. Forgot this one has well, no, it's only got 5 lines. I don't know. Come on. Oh, got it. Yes. There we go. We got it on the dollar. All right, let's get lucky. The major on this one's 1,021. I'm I'm just saying. Okay, let's go. Come on. Capes. Come on, Capes. 2 more. Oh, nope. Come on, Capes. Capes. No. Come on, Capes. Come on. We got 3 more. Capes. Oh, we got it. $500 cape. Oh, my goodness. Wow. $500 cape. Whoa. Let's go. Drop that major. Guys, this is my luckiest game. I've had so much luck on this game lately. I don't even know how. Come on, 1 more. Ugh, last one. Oh, we got it. Oh, do it. $11,000. Come on. Come on. Last one. Oh, no. Alright, hey, great bonus. And we still got 2 more spins. I'm gonna fast track it. 585. Wow. Wow, wow. Let me take a picture of that one too. When Tori wakes up, I'll have a bunch for her. Alright. Alright. 2 more. Come on, do it again. Bulls, re-triggered. Wow. 3 more games. Let's do something crazy. Come on. Capes. Oh, got it again. Oh my goodness, $75 cape. Guys, if you don't have this game in your casino, you need a bag for it. It's a great game. Come on, we can drop a minor, a major. Come on, 250. Yes. Ooh, nice. Come on, 1 more. Come on, 1 more. Oh, nope, that's it. Wow. Still have 3 more spins. Alright, I'm gonna fast track it. Ooh, we're getting close to hand pay, guys. Come on. Very close to hand pay. What do we add? Oh, we need, if we get 130 more, it's hand pay, guys. Come on. Ooh. Come on, more capes. Ooh, guitars all the way across. How much is that? It went up top. Shoot, I think it's only 50. 70. Okay, 60. Oh, we made it. Look, 1140. 1140. Oh my goodness, we're at 1960 on this game. Guys, let me explain to you why I'm at Navarro right now. I got called off tonight. I haven't been called off in a month and a half. And I slept 14 hours. I slept from, we got it again. We got a 4 trigger. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I slept for 14 hours. I slept till midnight last night. And I figured, why not come? Oh my goodness. I'm so glad I did. $52 on the trigger. Come on. Capes. We need capes. Come on, capes. Ooh. 4 more. Come on, capes. Or bulls. Oh, re-trigger another 4. Oh my goodness. That should go up top, maybe. Yep, one up top. Another $50. Come on. Come on. 2 more. 3 more spins. Come on, capes. Come on, capes. 2 more capes. Last spin. No. Hey, that's okay. That's another $132 or over $2,000. All right, that was fun. Wow. This is a hot little denom. Almost. I love this stupid, and it's only the bull. I only do well on the bull. Is that not crazy? $10. Wow. That would have been really nice. Those bulls just, whoa. Okay, there's another 5. All right, we've just got a couple more. And last one here. All right, guys, I'll tell you what, just for 100, I gotta do it, because I've done well on this one too. We're gonna do a $10 bet down to 1,900. See if we can't nab one more. Okay, come on, bulls or capes? Oh, one more bull. Yes, got it on the $10. Yes. Oh, please be good. Don't be a bonus bummer. Please be good. Come on, do it. Capes. We need capes. Or bulls. Tree trigger already. We got 9 spins. Yes. We got 8 more. Come on, bulls. We need you. Bulls and capes. Bulls and capes. Come on. Where's my capes? We need capes. We need those capes so bad. Come on. Come on, capes. Oh, that's good. 2 rows of that. That may be a coin show. Nope, just went up top. That was it. 140. Come on, capes. Last spin. Wow, 220. Hey, not bad. But I wanted the capes. I'm sure you wanted the capes too. Yeah, it didn't line up because we're on that $2, $10 bet. Alright, we've just got this one. Well, maybe. Yeah, we can do one more. Sorry. Alright, you know what? I'm going to go back to our dollar. Down to, and we're going to do, we'll do 10 down to 2,000. And then I'm cashing out with 2,000. That was $9. That was something. Can we get those capes one more time, please? Just once. Almost. All right, we just got 2 more. Last one. All right, let's do 2, and we will do a couple of $2 and one more. I don't know how much that gave me. We got enough for a $1. You know me, I always like to get it to the very end. All right, guys, amazing run. Carita de Toros, that major is now at 500 because I hit it. Awesome, guys. See you on the next one. Please leave me a comment, turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I go live, like maybe tomorrow. Like the video if you can. Subscribe to the channel, please, guys. We are just moving along. We'll be at 11,000 before you know it. We'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.